Welcome to Integrated Medicine Perspective. I'm Dr. Wendy Liu. Tired feeling, brain fog, and constipation are symptoms of completely different organ systems. How could magnesium be the key factor for all three? Let's look at how magnesium functions in our body and, of course, how we can obtain adequate magnesium from foods. Magnesium is truly our body's chief officer for energy. Why do I give magnesium such a big title? Well, the energy molecule ATP, adenosine triphosphate, carries and provides energy to any biologic process in our body that requires energy. Magnesium is involved in every step of ATP's life: production, stabilization, and utilization. Our body burns sugar, fat, and protein to generate ATP. This burning process requires magnesium. After production, ATP also needs to bind to magnesium for stabilization. As for ATP utilization, enzymes requires magnesium as a cofactor or activator to function. So I'm not exaggerating to say that magnesium is our body's chief officer for energy. Now it is easy to understand why magnesium deficiency causes tired feeling. When magnesium is in short supply, our muscles cannot generate or use ATP efficiently. Tired feeling or fatigue occurs. Dr. Henry Lukaski looked into the effect of magnesium depletion on exercise. He found that magnesium depletion increased oxygen consumption and heart rate during exercise. This means magnesium depletion reduces exercise tolerance. So one may feel short of breath and palpitation even before reaching the expected exercise level. Magnesium also has a protective effect on muscle cells. It binds to muscle cell membranes to protect them so muscles are not easily injured by exercises. Magnesium is also involved in muscle injury repair. So magnesium is an important topic in sports medicine. The movement of our intestines also requires energy. So magnesium deficiency causes constipation. Then why brain fog and magnesium deficiency? Our brain may weigh less than 2% of our body weight. It spends 20% of our energy requirement. So its demand for magnesium is also high. Magnesium deficiency is linked to various neurologic symptoms: brain fog, anxiety, depression, sleep disturbances, neuropathy, etc., etc. Every single living cell in our body produces and uses energy. So the symptoms of magnesium deficiency are not specific. When it appears that multiple organs and systems are not working normally all at the same time, we need to think about the adequacy and balance of our nutrient intake. Nutrition and metabolism are truly foundations of normal physiology. 75% of US adults do not obtain adequate dietary magnesium. So, what are magnesium-rich foods? Whole grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, and green leafy vegetables. Some animal foods like milk and seafoods also have some magnesium, but it is difficult to obtain adequate magnesium without a plant-based whole food diet. Example, 1 cup of a whole grain brown rice provides 76 milligrams of magnesium. 1 cup of white rice, 19 milligrams. 3 ounces of chicken, 21 milligrams. Both refined carbohydrates and meats are not rich in magnesium. The daily recommended amount of magnesium is 420 milligrams for men, 320 milligrams for women. So we need to be mindful when it comes to food choices in order to reach a balanced nutrient intake. Thanks for watching. Please leave comments and questions below. For future integrated medicine topics, please subscribe. I will see you soon.